Hey guys, welcome to math. Let's start out today by singing a song, and it's about a flower shop. So you need 10 little fingers that we're going to pretend are flowers. 10 little flowers in the flower shop, standing so pretty with the dewdrops on the top. Along came Abdulaziz with the dollar to pay. They bought one flower and they took it away. How many were left? 9 little flowers in the flower shop, standing so pretty with the dewdrops on the top. Along came a briar with the dollar to pay. They bought one flower and they took it away. How many flowers were left? 8 little flowers in the flower shop, standing so pretty with the dewdrops on the top. Along came Deasia with the dollar to pay. She bought one flower and she took it away. 8 minus 1 is 7 little flowers in the flower shop, standing so pretty with the dewdrops on the top. Along came Dwayne with the dollar to pay. He bought one flower and he took it away. 7 minus 1 is 6 little flowers in the flower shop, standing so pretty with the dewdrops on the top. Along came Gianna with the dollar to pay. Bought one flower and took it away. 5 little flowers in the flower shop, standing so pretty with the dewdrops on the top. Along came Jayla with the dollar to pay. She bought one flower and took it away. 4 little flowers in the flower shop, standing so pretty with the dewdrops on the top. Along came Justice with the dollar to pay. Bought one flower and took it away. 3 little flowers in the flower shop, standing so pretty with the dewdrops on the top. Along came Jameer with the dollar to pay. He bought one flower and took it away. 2 little flowers in the flower shop, standing so pretty with the dewdrops on the top. Along came Kamala with the dollar to pay. She bought one flower and took it away. 1 little flower in the flower shop, standing so pretty with the dewdrops on the top. Along came Kaylin with the dollar to pay. Bought one flower and took it away. Uh-oh, we've got to restock the flower shop. We're out of flowers. I'm going to draw up some number bonds. And we're going to tell some stories. And they're going to be about all kinds of different numbers. So, once upon a time, Kendallin had oranges for lunch. She had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oranges for lunch. And she wanted to share her oranges with Landon and Layla. So she wanted them to each have the same number of oranges. So she gave Landon 1, 2, 3 oranges, and she gave Layla 1, 2, 3 oranges. And if we were to turn this into a math sentence, what could we do? We do 6 minus 3 equals 3. So here's a subtraction sentence. And that's a great math sentence. But what if we wanted to make an addition sentence? How could we make this an addition sentence? Oh, I know. What if we did 3 plus 3 equals 6? All right, are you ready for our next story? First, we have to erase. Number bonds are one of my favorite things because they don't always face the same direction. I think that is so super duper cool. So I'm going to put my whole down here this time. I'm going to put my parts up here. And it'll still work. Math is magical. So Mercy had, let's see. Mercy had 10 toy lizards. And she wanted to share with Neilani and Noelle. And she wanted to share so they had an equal amount. She wanted them to have the same. So she gave Neilani 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toy lizards. And she gave Noelle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toy lizards. So let's make this an addition sentence. 5 plus 5 equals 10. This always happens. I accidentally make my plus sign look like a T. I think it's because I'm writing on the whiteboard, but it's no big deal. It's part of learning to make mistakes. No, I want to make a subtraction sentence. So let's do 10 minus 5 equals 5. All right, let's erase. We're going to do one more number bond. Whole, part. So once upon a time, Perquan had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squirrels. And Perquan really wanted to share his squirrels with Petronella and Roman. And Perquan wanted to make sure that they had the same number of squirrels. So he gave Petronella 1, 2, 3, 4. And he gave Roman 1, 2, 3, 4 squirrels. And if we wanted to turn this into a subtraction sentence, we would write, what's our whole? 8 minus 4 equals 4. And if we wanted to make an addition sentence, we'd write 4 plus 4 equals 8. All right. Now we're going to tell a different story. And we're not going to use our number bonds. We're just going to jump right into making our sentences. Oh. So once upon a time, Zelia had 9 baby dolls. And all 9 of those baby dolls liked to sleep in their pretend cribs. So Zelia put 4 of the baby dolls to sleep in their cribs. How many baby dolls did she have left over? Oh, it's tricky to go right into that number sentence. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She put 4 to sleep. So she took away 4. And she had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Now, once upon a time, Mrs. Merritt had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cherries for lunch. But she really wanted 10 cherries for lunch. How many more does Mrs. Merritt need to get 10? So she has 7. She needs some more to get to 10. Which number is missing? There are a couple strategies we can use. We can use our fingers. We can use our dots. We can use number bonds. I'm going to use these dots right here. She needs 1, 2, 3 more. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, now once upon a time, Mrs. Angel had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did I have 5 of? 5 pillows. But because she is aspiring to be a queen one day, she really needed 10 pillows. Just like in The Princess and the Pea, she had so many mattresses. So I have 5 pillows and I need 10. How many more do I need to get to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So now I'm going to change this problem a little. What if instead of 5 pillows, I had 9 pillows to start? But I still needed 10. How many more would I need to be able to get to 10? 9 plus 1 equals 10. Okay. Here's our last whiteboard problem. Once upon a time, I had an Asian vine snake. I had a ball python. And I had my 2 snakes, and we decided to have a snake play date. So Layla brought her snake. And she has 2 snakes. And she brought her mom's snakes. And her mom has 1, 2 snakes too. How many snakes did we have at our snake play date? Let's see. 1, 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals, it's hard to do math when it isn't in a straight line for me. So I'm going to take all of these and I'm going to write them out at the bottom. 2 plus 4 equals 6 snakes at our snake play date. Says goodbye. Love you.